Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, I will be doing some speed cleaning as well as a little bit of deep cleaning around the house over a 3-day period. And right now I'm just preparing for a party. My cousin is turning 60 and we are about to turn up, okay? We have family members from North Carolina and Pennsylvania in town and it's just going to be such a good time. If you are new here, my name is Kim, KYM. I do videos pertaining to home life, cooking, cleaning, DIYs, projects, home repairs, all that type of stuff. So if that is something you're interested in, please don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. And I really appreciate you being here. So right now I'm just showing you some things that I'm preparing as far as food for the party. Not everything because your girl got busy, okay? So it's just kind of like a sneak peek. I'm all about multitasking, so while I'm cooking things, if they have to be in the oven or boiling or whatever the case may be, I do straighten up the kitchen. It makes it so much easier. For me, I found that anytime I wait to clean something up after I spilled it like hours ago, it just takes too much muscle. And I feel like I should work smart and not hard.
The outside looking through a window, I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party.
Shout out to my cousin 𝐓𝐾𝐒. Her name is Lakia. I call her 𝐓𝐾𝐒. Anyway, she was like, I am not trying that hummus. It looks like baby food.
I wanna hold on to somebody. Life of the party, life of the party, life of the party, life of the party. Life of the party, life of the party, life of the party, life of the. Yeah, I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. Be cool. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. Be cool. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody.
We had way too much food. I have not eaten like that in a very long time. It was just crazy.
Find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more. It shouldn't be unfair.
Being with family is so much fun. It was just such good energy. It's now the next day, and out of all of the food that we had, this is all that was left over. And y'all know I slammed on it, okay? I have eaten, I have hydrated, and now it's time. I know the kitchen does not look dirty, but I had a party here. Talk about so much fun, you guys. Oh, it was such a fun time. Anyway, time to get started.
Do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? I can't understand why we can't hold hands, but they don't know what we have is real love. Aren't you sick and tired of?
One thing about your home being like all white, it really does hide dirt. However, when it is dirty, you know it's dirty.
Can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more. It shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know.
That is the water from the cabinet. So never judge a book by its cover. That water's dirty. And it didn't look dirty, did it?
I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow?
Let me know how you're doing below in the comments. I'm looking for a new show. Hook your girl up. Let me know what you're watching, and also let me know what you're reading. I hope that you are learning to love yourself and appreciate yourself, because you are worthy and you are enough. When you're cleaning off your counters and tables and that sort of thing, be sure to remove the items and wipe underneath. The underneath of those items need some love too, girl.
'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light.
I can definitely show you better than I can tell you. When it comes to cleaning up, when it pertains to food and that sort of thing, like the microwave and stove, I definitely wipe those last because I don't want to reuse that rag for other places. This stinks. Ooh. And that, my friends, is how I know my stove is dirty, when it's funky. I'm gonna throw this away. Yeah, I'm throwing it away because yeah, that's a hot mess.
Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready.
We have to put a filter in the, what is it called? The furnace filter, that's what it's called. That's what we are, well, that's what he's about to do. Here's the old one. It's so crazy how life works, because I was thinking about some new under cabinet lighting and I did not say a word to anybody. It was just in my Amazon cart. And then I had a company reach out to me and ask me if I wanted to review these lights. They're similar to the ones that I had, but these ones are way better, way brighter, and they are LED. Y'all know I love me some LED lights. The installation is quite easy, and these are also lights that you could use in your cabinet.
You don't have to be ready.
Wow, that was so easy. In order to take the old lights off, I heated them up with a blow dryer and then just peeled them right off. God said, let there be light. He made the light and he knew that it was good. Let there be light. These lights are dimmable, easy to charge, and it's so funny because they have like the motion sensor, which I don't use the motion sensor. I never really have. I just like them to be on when I'm in the kitchen. All you need is a charger port, or whatever those things are called, in order to charge it. It's really easy and it doesn't take long to charge at all. I want to show you a comparison. Here's what the new light looks like. It's nice and beautiful and just bright, right? And then you come over here and you see, okay, why does that look blue? It's because it's not LED. Again, I like light bulbs that are daylight, bright, LED, but that's a major comparison right there. This is definitely not a sales pitch. I do not review items that I'm not interested in, and these really look good. So hey, if you are interested, I will leave the link below in the description box.
Ongoing dry out silhouettes. I'm numb, you stay the night.
I did a gypsy couch clean and now I'm just putting everything back on the couch. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you. Know that you are loved and you are worthy, and you have to believe in yourself because no one else may believe in you, and at the end of the day, you really don't need them to, okay? So when you have a dream that people don't understand, you just gotta grab it and never let go.
The most important thing is that you're enjoying your life and you just need to be happy, and that's really all that matters. I know that sometimes the things that people say affects us, but at the end of the day, when you're saying your affirmations, nobody can tell you that you are nothing, because in your mind, you're like, wait, I'm my biggest superstar, okay? I am a superstar. That is what you should believe about yourself. And also, be kind. Go out and spread love, because you never know who needs it.
It's just me and the sun.
So, it is the next day. This is how you have to clean when you have chronic fatigue syndrome. Anyway, I'm going to wipe all of this down really quickly. I just got ready for work, and then my side of the sink is always a hot mess, so I will be cleaning this off as well. And then I noticed there's a lot on my walls in my bathroom, and it's only because I use this great stuff. Let me show you. If you don't have this right here, you're missing out. Restore, renew, rejuvenate. That is the truth.
Get out from under me. Troublemaker, plan my escape. The silhouettes give me away. Get out from under me. Oh, I'm not giving in. Try me to fire away. Oh, you can change your mind, but I'm not giving in.
Old mop head from old Cedar. It's not dirty. It's been washed 1,000 times. It's just stained. Calm down. So I just showed you like all the spots. They're like a lot of different places. So I just want to handle it, get it over with, and keep on moving. Don't stop. No. Okay? I'm going to try to get through whatever I possibly can before I have to walk out the door. And I also have to change my pants. Method cleaner. You don't want to put disinfectant on your walls because it ruins your paint. Thank me later.
Plan my escape.
That looks better already.
Give me away.
Let me show you what happens when you forget to like take the mop head off and wring it out. It's dust.
You're the opposite of me, like sun and rain, and drama on the TV is full of pain. But we're the good part, the happy ending, unexpected plot twist where you always save me. We're the good part, we never fake it, even if it hurts, we always say it.
Like that. I still have 2 minutes to spare. Pimp, I'm pimping you out. I'm pimping you out, for real. Thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.